Buckingham Palace is apparently in need of some major updates to the tune of over $455 million. And most of those updates won't be seen. They include replacing 100 miles of the palace's electrical wiring, 20 miles of heating pipes, and 10 miles of hot and cold water pipes. In the process, workers will have to pull up the equivalent of 3.5 soccer fields worth of floorboards. Some of the wiring, piping, and other systems are over 60 years old. The palace says the upgrades are necessary to avoid catastrophic failure leading to fire or flood. The upgrades will be paid for with a temporary 10% increase in the funding the government gives to the royal family every year. And some people aren't happy about that, calling it disgusting that money is being spent on that while there are people who are homeless and children who are hungry. The updates will take place in several phases over the next 10 years. The work begins in April 2017.